My next party look is a sexy cat smoky eye. I'm going to use metallic colours, I'm going to use lashes. This look is designed to be quite wearable, quite quick to do and very sexy. I'm going to start off using the white as an overall wash onto the eyelids. And then I'm going to use a gold. I'm going to use the gold again underneath as a wash. The definition is going to come from the stronger colour, so I'm going to use the brown. It's going to go in through the sockets. To intensify that, we're going to apply it underneath as well. I'm going to use the white highlight just inside the inner corners here, just to finish the shape before I define it more. Just working along the top eyelash and using the same brown from the socket. And now I can intensify it even more. So I'm going to use a black. So to make sure that the eye has all that definition, we're going to go back underneath and join the black shade into the outer corners. You can add either a white liner or a black kohl and use the kohl pencil into the actual lashes. We're going to use a liquid liner. I'm just going to stick on some winged eyelashes, adds extra drama. So just to ensure that my lashes are joined together, I'm just going to put a wash of the mascara